This is the boat that I got. I'm inspecting. This is a little loose. The trailer here, there's a bolt there that's gonna need to be tightened. These chains here, pony. And then this guy got some original wiring. Can come off. Ground wire here. This came with this nice jacket with roller on it. It had the temporary lights with the 4-pin. It's got the safety chain. Have to inspect this. Rubber looks good. It's got the spare. It's got a lock. I'm gonna have to cut that off. So then, frame's a little rusted. Looks like it's a rolls right, and a little chart here. Got the rollers here, pony. Yeah, I'm gonna have to redo the wiring. That seems solid. That looks a little greasy, pony. What size tires are these? Where is it? The tread looks pretty good. The wheel white, I can just clean that. Strap here. It's got the temporary toe lights. It's kind of nice. I left them on. I'm gonna rewire these lights. It's got a thing for a license plate. I don't think I need a plate for this. Not sure what that is. So then, yeah, you got the straps here. I might just get new straps. Make sure that I don't. Yeah, that's nice and tight. And then there's the other one of those. I'll take that off. Some zip ties. It's a little wobbly. Maybe tighten that for stepping on. Might look a little bent, but I'm gonna sand this down, paint it. And then I'll have to check out these rollers. What is it? Alright. And some more wiring. Looks like some side lights. This rolls right. So, yeah, I'm gonna sand it all down and paint it. Clean up all this tape. They're probably taping down the wires. But, yeah, so it's a 16-foot boat. Yeah, a little bent down here. These can come off though and be painted. Alright, that's the trailer. There's Pony.